I'm fully rested, feeling a little bit better. While I was in New York, there was a lot that happened.
Literally.
What's going on, baby boy?
So we got a lot to talk about. So anyways, play my intro. Before I get started, you see the new intro. Yo, shout out to Club Adventure. He revamped my intro. Thank you so much. It looks so dope. And yeah, link in the description to his dope ass channel. Go check it out. Yo, shout out to my friends Minnie and K-Pop Santa. Yes, K-Pop Santa. They were with me throughout the whole way. When entering the venue, freaking the second stage and the main stage and the sides of the main stage were already full and packed. At least enough packed, and second stage was pretty packed in the front, so we decided to go on the side. I think it was a good idea because it wasn't that fully cramped there throughout the whole concert. I mean, there was times where people, you know, bunched in, but usually that's what you get when you get P1 tickets or P2 tickets. I had P2 seated on the second day, which was Friday, and P1 on the first day, which was Thursday. So you'll probably see a mix of clips. Your boy's broke, but it was so worth it. Do you want me to break down the process for you? Because I wasn't even ready to be even thinking of making this kind of video. I thought I was just gonna enjoy a concert, but no. J-Hope is trying to take that bias spot. Well, Taehyung is still my bias, but J-Hope, I always like J-Hope. If you watch any of my videos, I always give J-Hope some praise because I feel like, you know, just J-Hope is just a full of ball of sunshine. His smile, his energy. First off, I just want to say the freaking concert was hyped as F. Loved it. From slow song to like it was emotional, it was hype, it was turned. Hype and turned are the same thing, I think. I think the concert experience always depends on those who are around you. So on the first day, on Thursday, I was around some friends. On the second day, I went by myself, even though Kenny went as well, but we were separated. But I was around some people that got a little bit turned with me because sometimes, like, I like to feed off people's energy, and then hopefully you feed off my energy, and then we have this amazing experience. They started off with Not Today. So you already know they starting off hype, and just one after the other, and one after the other, you just, you know, you can't really rest. They all performed their solos. I think the most relaxing time I had at BTS was Rap Monsters, but even though I was still standing up, I was still feeling the vibe because, you know, you look like one of those times you just like want to do one of these. I wish August D came out of nowhere, but it did it. But I ain't mad because it was still an amazing performance from Suga. Or Jins, but you know, they just perform so well. The vocal line song, Lost, it was so dope. The rapper lineup. Just what they were wearing and everything, like that part when it was just all the rappers, J-Hope, freaking Rap Monster, Suga, they were just wearing like these like silky, like, you know, Versace. Now I don't know if they really Versace, but they look nice. I already know what y'all want me to talk about. Now I held back a lot. Now if you follow me on Instagram, I just random every day. I usually post there first before I even make a video. And on Twitter at It's Dre. Oh, what's good, bro? Man, I missed you. Hold on. Let me bring out little tiny TOP with me for real. So J-Hope. When J-Hope first noticed, I mean, I don't know if I got the first time noticing. Wait, first of all, Cookie, okay, I didn't realize how close they would get to the stage, like the corner of the stage, because Cookie really crouched down. I kind of freaked out, as you could see right there, and I didn't know what he did with his lips. I think he was like whistling or something. I don't know, but he... So many moments. So many moments. There was some Jimin body rolls. He was like... So Jimin was looking into the camera. V. I don't know, I feel like he was shy. He glances into the camera and smirks a bit, licks his lips. I'm like, you trying to be extra a little bit? You like you teasing a bit. Let's talk about J-Hope, because J-Hope was freaking amazing during at least this concert for me. And it's the reason why I praise him so hard in my videos. That red jacket, he pointed at me. I don't know if he pointed at me or my friend, since my friend J-Hope Stan. So I could be either or, so I didn't know, because she was giving like the hearts and everything. Now these are the clips I haven't showed you yet. This is what happened next. You really gonna do this, J-Hope? Yo, I know I heard you watch like videos and reaction videos and other BTS related videos, but J-Hope, what's good? What's good? How you doing? So many things happen. During Wings though? The thing is that J-Hope kept on coming back to my side. To all the J-Hope stans that were in my section, I don't know. Y'all probably died with me. Just people that love J-Hope in general, because it's hard not to like J-Hope. It's like, you have to love J-Hope. He's just a ball of sunshine. Yo, J-Hope, I'm waiting for that mixtape. First, now this is a surprise. I didn't tell this to nobody. Jimin. Go, Jimin! What's good, Jimin? Okay, I see you. Jimin multiple times through this whole concert experience was being extra as well, but every one of them are extra, I feel like. I mean, they're extra plus ordinary. Jimin, the bias record. Obviously, Suga, Rap Monster, and Jin were doing their thing. I feel like Rap Monster was being the leader, paying attention to everybody. That's when it confirmed it. I know you. And I say, I know you too. I always say that every damn time, I feel like. It was either I know you too, or I'm gonna be like, like, you know, something weird noise will come out instead. So I think in my membrane, it's programmed to say I know you too, because really I do know you too. I know you too. I just came here to just enjoy a concert and get hyped with my friends on the first day, and especially on the second day as well. But I got attacked in a good way. Like I said, J-Hope, you get your ish, boy. You don't stop for nobody. You keep on going higher and higher. His mama performance, bless it. I want to say a freaking good experience, and like I said, it all depends on the people that are around you. Even though you go alone, just turn up with the people around you. Don't be afraid. We're all there for one thing, for 7 guys. Does that sound wrong? We're there for 7 amazing people. This concert did live up to my expectations. Definitely one of the better or best concerts I've been to, because my standards is Big Bang 2015, because those are my standards, and that was a high production moving stage kind of experience. But BTS is definitely up there, and I love that concert. That was definitely one of my favorite concerts, especially when those hype songs came in, when Cypher came in, when Bopsay come in. Oh my god, they even did a montage of their like debuts. The rainbow lights are so dope. That got me the most, because I didn't have a light with me because they were mostly all sold out. The rainbow lights, it looks so pretty.
They fucking pulled it off. I'm impressed. Fan support like a mother.
Great experience. From the fans there, from the people that were working there, the staff were chill. There were the security were so amazed at like the audience and the BTS in general. They're like, yo, what is this? Thank you to everybody that I have met at the 2 concerts that I've taken a picture with. You guys are freaking amazing. Though I might have been hella tired after the concert. Most of them, like, I looked at the picture, I'm like, yo, I look tired, I look stressed, because one, I feel like the first day, I was hella tired because standing in pit, but everybody was tired. But you know, and then afterwards, you know, I just, you know, I want to meet y'all. So even if I was tired and I look like fugly, I still want to meet y'all and like express like how dope that concert was. Sometimes being a K-pop fan can be hard. Maybe not, maybe back then more harder, but now, you know, you get ridiculed for liking this different type of language, this music. But the fact that we can come to concerts, come to events, come to like conventions, and all bond for one thing, which is K-pop, is such a beautiful thing. This is definitely one of the highlights I came back with from New York. The BTS Wings Tour. Such a good experience. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy JRE from JRE KML. Love you all my sexy beautiful people. Listen to K-pop. It feels good. Listen to music in general. It feels good. Thank you guys for giving me a great experience. And hopefully this video, for those who didn't get to go, gives you an experience as well. Somewhat through my eyes. Love you all my sexy beautiful people. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, it's okay if I like keep Title TP. Can you watch him for a bit? Like, I'll just like leave him right here. Is that cool? Is that you good with that? Okay.
입맛하는 인간들의 목소리만 걷더라 뭐라 뭐라 먹어보라 지그지그 뭐라 뭐라 과열이 된 미디어로 사람들을 몰아 하쿠 야마 타타 하쿠
same old place that you laughed about.